Hello friends, in this video I am going to give a detailed guideline for the subject Summer Internship. This subject is offered by Gujarat Technological University and this subject is offered to all the undergraduate students for all branch of engineering. The duration of summer internship will be of 2 weeks. It will be after the completion of the sixth semester and before the commencement of the seventh semester. So student has to complete in between that period of time. So as per the circular of Gujarat Technological University, the students may start their internship from 24th May 2021 and must complete it by 6th June 2021. So, in that summer internship, following 5 options can be opted by the students. So, first is the offline internship in industry, second, online internship in industry or other agency, third, seminar by students under the mentorship of a faculty, fourth, preparation of consolidated report on survey of materials, and fifth, a mini project. So one by one we are going to see all the options. So first is offline internship in the industry. So internship in industry subjected to the permission from government and concerned industries subjected to the condition of following the SOP standard operating procedure issued by the government. So students may take the participation in government as well as private industries who are following the SOP issued by the government. And for this, students require the written consent from students as well as from the parents. And in that offline internship, students is supposed to produce joining letter and relieving letter once the internship is over. And in case of offline internship from any industry. Then second, online internship in industry or other agency. Now there is no proper guideline is given according to that online internship, but the one sentence is written at the end of the syllabus is that students should produce successful completion certificate in case of online or offline internship from the industry. So that's why it is important to have a successful completion certificate of the online internship. Then third option that students have is a seminar by student under the mentorship of a faculty, and the topic of the seminar that can be as per the UG syllabus topic of that concerned branch. Then fourth option is a preparation of consolidated report on survey of materials. So in this case, report on survey of material used in the respective branch of the students that can be used, and the work should be include the study of catalog, price list specification, properties, usage notes and other technical details and drawing etc. The work shall be carried out under the guidelines of faculty. In this one, a detailed report should be submitted and it should be done by only one student, and it is to be completed individually by the students. Then the next one is a mini project. A mini project on some suitable topic related to the respective branch chosen by the students. It can be a small fabrication, experimental result, simulation, programs, application development etc., depending upon the branch of the students. And in this one preferably a single student should do it. So these are the 5 options that a student can choose. Now there are certain other guidelines given into the syllabus of that summer internship. So first, student has to prepare detailed report and submit to his or her college. A copy of a report can be kept in the department for record. Each student must be assigned a faculty as a mentor from the college, and an industry expert as commenter. The evaluation of the work done by the students will be carried out after 2 weeks by the internal and external examiner. External examiner will evaluate for 80 marks and internal examiner will evaluate for 20 marks. And for this one, the presentation by the students in the presence of all the students is desirable. Student should not students should produce successful completion certificate in case of online and offline internship into the industry. So these are the guidelines for the newly introduced subject summer internship. I hope you like this information. If you like it, then share it so that maximum students can take benefit of it. Thank you very much.